A tiger suddenly appears in your living room. What do you do? Well, first it introduces itself. Hello, my name is Tiger. Then it tells you its name. My name is very unique. It's the same as the animal. How cool is that? And then it shares a fun tiger fact. Did you know that tigers have stripes on their tongues? They're used for camouflage when they're little cubs. Isn't that amazing? The tiger in the room is not dangerous. It's just curious, and it wants to play. So it starts chasing its own tail, but it can't catch it. And it looks like it's having so much fun. Do you want to play with the tiger? Well, you can. Just don't get too close because it might be a little bit dangerous. This cartoon is colorful and fun and playful and not at all scary. So little kids can watch it without having nightmares.